Variables and data types in JavaScript. Variables are used to store data values. In JavaScript, you can declare a variable using the var, let, or const keywords. Var, the older way to declare variables. It has function scope. Let, introduced in ES6, it has block scope. Const, also introduced in ES6, it declares a constant that cannot be reassigned and has block scope. Data types. JavaScript has dynamic types, meaning the same variable can hold different data types. Number represents both integer and floating point numbers. String represents text. Boolean represents true or false. Array, used to store multiple values in a single variable. Object, used to store keyed collections of various data and more complex entities. Null represents the intentional absence of any object value. Undefined indicates that a variable has not been assigned a value. Symbol, a unique and immutable data type introduced in ES6. Explanation. Variable declarations, we declare variables using var, let, and const. Data types, we use different data types such as string, number, boolean, array, object, null, and undefined. Template literals, we use backticks to create a string that can include embedded expressions.